Hello again, friends. Hope everybody is doing great out there. All right, this is going to be kind of an interesting review here. I'm checking out this fun laser hair growth device. This is basically a little helmet that you put on, and it's supposed to help with the hair regrowth. So let's check that out. Okay, so this uses low-level laser light therapy, and I guess there's been multiple studies done that says this is beneficial in helping with hair. So I am not a doctor, nor have I studied this myself, but I did a little research, and it seems like some studies have shown that it actually helps grow hair back. So let's check this thing out here. We have this little helmet here. It looks pretty cool. Power button here in the back and a little USB-C charging port. Looks like it comes with a nice little bag here, so we can put it in there. All right. There's a nice little bag there. And then it has these soft little pads that we can stick on. Looks like they recommend for the back and the sides there. So anyways, let's put those on and Okay, so I just peeled off the little Velcro stickers, put 3 on each side and then 2 on the back. Watch out for the little sensors. You don't want the pad to be underneath that. Once you have stuck on the Velcro, then you can just place the little pads on them. And then one more right here. And like I said, just kind of want that to be able to close. Okay, that looks all right. Okay, so pretty much, I guess we just put this thing on and try it out, shall we? All right, my friends. Well, I was just reading the instruction. It says that it can take up to like a year to notice like results. So let's just put this on, kind of see. So this is the back portion. It's kind of like just like a little Tony Hawk like helmet here. Why does that look cattywampus? There we go. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. Now we're just going to long press the button in the back. It's doing some flashing lights on there, so I'm guessing it's working. I was going to do like kind of a picture every day, and this is a 20-minute therapy session every day. So 20 minutes, yeah, I guess you could do it for while you're doing your reading or something like that every morning. This one feels a little, has those sensors in the front. It's a little not like super uncomfortable, but if it was just like a little bit larger size, maybe I got a big head or something, it just feels like it's pressing a little bit like there. Not uncomfortable anywhere else, just kind of where those sensors are a little bit. So maybe a little bit more padding on there would suffice. Anyways, yeah, feels like it's getting a little, possibly a little warmer up there. I was trying to look for like negative side effects for this lower light therapy. Didn't really find a whole lot on the internet about it. So, you know, use it at your own risk. There seem to be some positive things out there that was being said about it. But that is it pretty much. I mean, yeah, this has like 88 lasers and like 72 LEDs in there. This is going to beep every 5 minutes after you're using it. And it's supposed to like perhaps help grow back the hair and make your hair like stronger and things like that. So I've seen a lot of products out there definitely touting that and saying that this is possible. So who knows? Anyways, yeah, it does definitely, I feel like kind of a warm sensation in my scalp now. So that's kind of cool, I guess. Doesn't look horrible. I mean, you could almost go out in public with this thing, and I don't know. I don't know if you'd want to or not. Looks kind of like a bicycle helmet. You just put some straps on there, and it would literally look like a bicycle helmet. But anyways, my friends, yeah, perhaps I'll try to use this on a regular basis, and then after a while, give an update on this later on and make another video about it. All right, so I just adjusted it a little on my head, like kind of back more a little bit, and now it's not like pressing on my forehead like it was. Now it's just actually quite comfortable, and it's almost like a little heating pad. It's like a very low, temperature. So it's not like it's like hot. I would say just a little bit warmer than like your normal skin temperature, but it's definitely, I can feel a little bit of a warmth there. So anyways, yeah, hopefully in the as time passes, I will be able to make a video after I use this for longer and let you guys know how this is working out. So thanks so much for watching this unboxing and review, my friends. I hope it was helpful. You guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. This also shuts down after 20 minutes and has a safety feature too. If I take it off like this, it beeps and turns off. And so there's all your little lasers and LEDs in there. So that's a nice safety feature, so you know it's not gonna be harmful, like get in your eyes or anything like that. So, all right, friends, have a great day. Thank you.